Alright, here's a rundown how to replace your leaf springs on an 88 to 98 K1500. We got some ATS spring replacements, basically just the stock height. Moog shackles. Here's what it looks like now. New hardware. Shackle. Was leaning pretty hard on this side. So basically, as you can see, I'm running 265 or 275 60/20s, and it was way too high for my jack stands. So I lifted it up on the pumpkin, took off the tires, lowered it back on my stocks. You don't necessarily have to do that. It was just a little bit of precautionary bullshit. And once you do that, make sure everything's stable. You get the weight off the spring. You can go ahead and just cut your U-bolts. And I start up there, take that one off, work your way back to the shackle, and you're done. Slide it out, pull it out. That's what you're left with. And just clean up a little bit while I'm in here. Slide it back in. Always just start right there. Get it centered here. Get it centered up there. And then keep this jack under it to kind of help you go up and down. Let's see if I can figure out how to get this zoomed out. And yeah, it's real simple. Don't try to reuse your bolts and be a cheap fuck. And ATS sends you one bolt free. Moogs, they come with all the hardware. They don't have any washers, so I'm going to reuse my old washers, and all the ones locally are a bunch of thin piece of craps. And yeah, tighten it back up to factory specs. If you do have a tow hitch though, you're gonna have to drop it and remove it, because this one here, you cannot back it off that bolt without hitting it. So all right, good luck.